Alveganic. Your health, our joy.
Hello, welcome. My name is Maxwell. Did you know that taking a liquid extract from a mint is effective to relieve you from stomach bloating and menstrual cramps? Stay tuned and watch till the end of this video and you will discover how. To begin with, let's head towards our farm and find some of the tropical mints to be used for this purpose. After we have gotten the required amount of mint we want, make sure to wash and clean it thoroughly to remove any dust particles. Now we carefully weigh about 55 grams of the mint leaf collected after we are done washing. Now carefully transport and pack the leaves being measured into an infusion cup. Pour boiled water over it and cover it securely with its lid. Secure the discharge end with a cork. Leave this infusion untouched for about 20 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, carefully strain the liquid extracts into a measuring cup. Measure 237 ml milliliters equivalent to 1 cup. Drink 1 cup of this infusion when warm, early morning on an empty stomach, and last thing in the evening. This should produce an effective result within 20 minutes.
Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly remember to hit on the subscribe button, like and share with others. We appreciate your time spent. All your comments are welcome.